She's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. She's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. What's up, Homeylus, homies, homeboys? Make some noise. Hey, homegirls, make some noise. Y'all know that. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Okay, enough. Hey, did you guys get into this egg and cheese omelet? Did you get into this egg and cheese omelet? It was delicious. I came up with this idea to mix up some cream cheese with some sour cream. I just came up with it, threw that on top. That made a huge difference. It gave it this nice creamy texture dripping with cheese. It was delicious. And I'm gonna tell you about this. This is great for a keto diet because the cheese will sit on your stomach for hours. Whenever I wanna lose weight real quick, I wanna do a quick keto diet, 7-day, 10-day keto diet, drop some pounds real quick. This is my go-to breakfast. Egg and cheese omelet. Sometimes I might throw a little meat up in there. Sometimes I might throw a little vegetables up in there. But this is my go-to breakfast. If you want to lose some quick weight, you want to do keto, you will need to have something that's going to sit on your stomach for a while. If it has some fiber in it, that's great too. What you want is something that is going to keep you full for hours so you can resist the temptation to grab some crackers, some piece of candy, things like that. Like, get in the habit of just trying to eat when you're full, eat when you're hungry. That's what I meant to say. Eat when you're hungry, not just eat out of habit. Oh, let me grab this candy, let me grab these chipsies. If you're not hungry, try not to eat. And then this keto will work for you. It takes a lot to resist carbs because carbs are like drugs. Just be calling me. Just be calling me. Try to resist that temptation. It takes a lot. But if you can resist that, you can drop that weight real quick. You know, go like exercise, whatever you have to do to try to keep it down. But it's for me because my weight may fluctuate. But if I want to drop it real quick, I do a keto. And this is my go-to breakfast. Hope you guys like it. I want to take this time out to thank you all for watching. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like it. Let me know down in the comment section if you're going to try this. And if you have some ideas of different things you would like to see me cook, let me know down in the comment section, honey. I'm here for you, honey. Sharing some tutorials, honey. Guys, share this with your mama and them, your cousin them. Let me stop acting hood, but you know what I mean. Share it. Sharing is caring. I would love to see you guys share it. I want to thank you again, and I'm going to say peace.